Have you ever wondered why the blue dome churches in Santorini, Greece are so iconic? Imagine a place where the sky meets the sea and the architecture mirrors this harmony. This is Santorini, an island in the Aegean Sea famed for its blue dome churches primarily found in the quaint towns of Oia and Fira. These blue domes, set against the backdrop of stark white buildings and the azure Aegean, have become symbolic of the island's picturesque landscape. Santorini is not just an island, it's a vision of serene blue domes, whitewashed buildings, and narrow cobblestone streets. The blue domes, an emblem of the island's beauty, have a story to tell, a story that intertwines with the island's history, culture, and architectural aesthetics. As we journey into the heart of Santorini, the blue domes of these churches emerge, standing tall and proud, presenting a sight to behold. The blue domes of these churches have become symbolic of Santorini's scenic beauty. The architecture of these churches is as unique as the island itself. Steeped in history and tradition, the blue dome churches of Santorini stand as beautiful examples of the Cycladic architectural style. This style is characterized by a charming simplicity that echoes the natural beauty of the Cyclades Islands. The buildings, painted in a dazzling white, contrast strikingly with the deep blue of the domes, mirroring the hues of the sky and the sea that surround the island. The whitewashed buildings serve a practical purpose too, reflecting the harsh summer sun and keeping the interiors cool. The blue accents, most notably the iconic domed roofs, are not just a design element. They embody the island's spirit, its connection to the sea and sky, and its rich cultural heritage. The Cycladic style is a testament to the island's unique architectural heritage. But what does the blue in the blue dome symbolize, you might ask? Well, the blue domes of Santorini's churches are not just an aesthetic choice, but they carry a significant symbolism. They are typically associated with the color of the sky and the sea, creating a harmonious and visually pleasing contrast with the whitewashed buildings. This color palette mirrors the natural beauty of Santorini's landscape, with its azure sea, clear sky, and the pristine white of its buildings. But there's more to the blue. Blue is also a symbolic color in the Greek Orthodox tradition. It represents the divine, the heavenly, and the infinite. It is the color of the Virgin Mary's robe, symbolizing her purity and holiness. Thus, the blue domes serve as a constant reminder of the spiritual and the divine, beautifully blending with the natural environment. The blue domes, therefore, are not just a design element, but carry deep symbolism. One of the most famous blue dome churches is the Anastasis Church. Nestled in the charming town of Oia, the Anastasis Church, also known as the Church of Resurrection, is a marvel of Cycladic architecture. Its striking blue dome, set against the whitewashed walls, mirrors the azure sky above, creating a serene and harmonious visual. Located near the castle, the church is a vantage point for mesmerizing views of the caldera. The caldera, a large volcanic crater filled with seawater, is a testament to the island's volcanic origins. The church's strategic position offers a panoramic view of this natural wonder, making it a popular spot for visitors. The contrast of the church's blue dome against the caldera's rugged cliffs and the sparkling Aegean Sea creates a breathtaking spectacle. This blend of architectural beauty and natural splendor makes the Anastasis Church a must-visit destination in Santorini. The Anastasis Church is a perfect blend of architectural beauty and natural splendor. These churches aren't just for Sunday services, they serve a more romantic purpose too. There's a certain charm, a certain allure to the blue dome churches in Santorini that make them more than just a sight for sore eyes. They are, in fact, a popular choice for a much more intimate event: weddings. Imagine standing next to the love of your life amidst the whitewashed buildings of Oia or Fira, under the vast blue dome that mirrors the Aegean Sea and the sky, saying your vows. The picturesque scenery, the tranquil ambience, and the iconic blue domes provide a setting so romantic, it's as if it's been plucked right out of a fairy tale. And it's not just the setting that's captivating. The cultural significance, the deep-rooted traditions, and the spiritual aura of these Greek Orthodox churches add a unique charm to the nuptials. With the blue dome churches as a backdrop, saying "I do" in Santorini is a dream come true for many couples. Today, the Blue Dome churches hold a special place in the hearts of locals and tourists alike. These Greek Orthodox structures are more than just places of worship. They are a testament to the island's rich religious heritage reflected in their unique architecture. They stand as symbols of faith, tradition, and the enduring spirit of the Santorinian people. The churches are not just significant for their religious value, they've also grown in popularity among tourists and photographers from all corners of the globe. The contrast between the bright blue domes and the stark white walls, set against the backdrop of the sparkling Aegean Sea, is a sight to behold. It's no wonder that these buildings have become iconic symbols of Santorini, gracing postcards and travel blogs worldwide. Among the many attractions of these churches, one stands out: the breathtaking sunset views. As the sun dips below the horizon, it bathes the churches in warm hues, creating a spectacle that leaves onlookers spellbound. The Blue Dome churches in Oya, in particular, are famous for these mesmerizing views. Every evening, crowds gather to witness this picturesque moment, making it a cherished part of their Santorini experience. But these churches are more than just pretty pictures. They are living pieces of history that require care and preservation. Over the years, significant efforts have been made to restore and maintain these historic buildings. The locals understand the value these churches hold, not just as tourist attractions, but as important landmarks that embody the island's past. So, whether you're a travel enthusiast, a history buff, or a romantic at heart, the Blue Dome churches have something to offer. They invite you to step into a world where the past meets the present, where every stone has a story to tell. The Blue Dome churches of Santorini are not just architectural marvels, but cultural and visual treasures, contributing to the island's allure and popularity as a travel destination.